Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session I'm going to share with you the process of how I prepared this sketch of rhinoceros, beetle and sprig. So first of all I would like to say that and explain a little bit about the relationship between sprig and rhinoceros beetle. This beetle is not only a friend, it's also trusty vehicle of Sprig, and it helps to Sprig to get from place to place. And so they are good friends. They are companions for adventures, and they spend quite a lot time together. And so for this reason, I convert this beetle to and add to this beetle facial emotions, because beetles, they have no facial emotions at all, expressions at all. And so because I draw this beetle some couple times, and I share on my sketching sessions, I share what is discovered about this amazing beetle. And now I would like just to understand in this sketch how they fly, how this beetle can fly. Of course it has some parts of its body, and head, thorax, and abdomen, and I just convert the thorax. This thorax, it is kind of the place of kind of chest, and I just transform it to saddle, and I think it is interesting. And because I need that my hero, my character, my sprig should feel quite good and safety riding beetle, riding a rhinoceros beetle. And of course I made some tiny mistake, because the shape of this beetle when it fly during is flying a little bit different, that I draw it too straight. But never mind, next time when I'm going to apply it to my real illustrations, of course I will change it. For this sketch I used drawings, two pencils, Devon drawing, brown in ochre, and brown ochre. It's this, especially this yellowish color, and another one sepia, reddish sepia. And so I found those pencils, Devon drawing, quite soft and right. And in this case I completely agree with my one YouTube user, Replicana, and she wrote that she preferred to draw with Derwent drawings. I completely agree with you, and they are good. Only one point to all this, all my, I think it is a little bit what I kind of complain about all these pencils, because I can't add tiny details. They are so soft that I hardly can add tiny details, and it is quite annoying me, because I like to add small details to my drawings, and to be precise with details. So that's it about those pencils. And another drawing I would like just to share with you. It is a quite ordinary scene when two friends watch sunset, and I would like just to share some of my thoughts, and some process of creating this sketch. As you can see, I add facial expression to the beetle, and I think I add eyebrow and also eyelids. Of course it doesn't have any one of them, and also the structure of beetle eye is so different from our eyes, from mammals or human beings eyes, and but they're just round and black, has round and black shape. And I just change it and add pupil to the eye. Okay, in this case, another thing I would like to explain, the horizon line. I added a horizon line above Sprig and above the beetle because I would like to emphasize they are small creatures. They're both small creatures. Rhinoceros beetle not such a small, because if you can remember that the size of Sprig is 5 years old child, so this beetle is huge if we compare to my character. And but never mind. I think because my story is quite magic, and I changed sizes, and I think now it looks better. And so I decided about to add some environment, and to add mountains and different things. And also I think to how I will prepare it with in my final illustration, in my final scene, because of course I would like to use this sketch, and for this reason I need to think about tiny details, and not only tiny details, all details of my composition include environment, mountains. I need to decide to myself how they sit, and I would like just to share the process of thinking, the process of my drawing, and of course I need to add different details, and also to decorate more precisely this beetle, because it should be something unusual and not such an realistic. Okay, so about that, this rhinoceros beetle, it's watching on Sprig, but Sprig we can't see his emotions. We can just assume, because he's sitting with back to us, and we can't see his face. But never mind, we can assume that it is quite pastoral just scene, and quite ordinary, and they sitting and watching on sunset, and what can be more, I don't know, nice. And we have so many different illustrations and pictures about two friends watching on sunset, and I think it is quite interesting. As you can see here in this point, I add eyelids and also eyebrow to the rhinoceros beetle, and I think I need to decide and to develop its mouth, because I think at some point I need to change it. And so that's it about my video for today's session, and thank you for watching. Keep drawing, keep sketching, and see you next time. Bye for now.